Okay, now that I've created my series of calendars, I'm going to begin to input my information into my main calendar. And I'm going to do the classes first, which is going to include my chapel times as well as my meal times. And you might think that's a little bit of an overkill. But when I'm needing to set up a meeting for a group project, having my meal times in my calendar will help me make sure that I'm not overlooking that. Now, the best way to do this, now that I have my classes in front of me, is to go to Monday and double click at the beginning time. And we're going to say this is Humanities Hume 201. And that goes from 10 to 11:15. I'm not given that option, but I can just type it in here. Okay, 11:15. And I want it to repeat. And I'm going to go to custom. And I'll show you why, because then I can go Monday through Wednesday. It's the same. And I want this to continue, but to end on the semester ends on December the 4th. The following week is going to be finals. Then I'll hit done. And I want to make sure I'm designating it as a class. So it's this green color. So I go ahead and press save. And you see it auto populates throughout the weeks, showing me that this is where I need to be. Okay, let's take another one. We're going to say marketing. Click on there, and I'll say marketing. And that will go from 1 to 2:15. Again, I will say custom because I want to repeat on Mondays and Wednesdays and to end on December 4th. And we're going to, I got hit save. If you don't hit save, it's not going to do it. Done. And then designate it as a class. Okay, so go through and put in all your classes, your chapel, your meal times in the same fashion, and then we'll proceed on to the next step.